Oh, what do we have here? Today we have Justin Timberlake drink driving arrest body cam footage released. Thank you guys for tuning in, and without further ado, let's get it!
So the reason for the stop is because
he's fucking hammered.
And then you're not stopping at the stop signs.
Yeah.
It's buckshot.
Sorry about that.
Is this your vehicle? Whose vehicle is it?
It's just a rental.
It's a rental? Okay.
Bro, why you didn't get an Uber? You have all this money. You could have hired a driver. Like, what in the fudge sickle?
Do you have any registration with it? Do you know if they can put it in the glove box?
Let me check.
And I just want to let you guys know that the comments on this video did not disappoint. We're going to go through them.
How long are you renting it for?
Just for a couple of days.
What are you visiting?
Yeah, I'm on tour.
What are you doing?
I'm on a world tour.
A what?
A world tour.
The cop does not know who he is. I would have fan the guy. I'm not going to lie to you.
What?
Hard to explain.
Bro is so hammered that he can't even explain that he's a popular singer and he's a fucking legend. I do not want to be this fucked up, bro.
I'm Justin Timberlake.
What's your name?
Justin Timberlake.
You are Justin Timberlake?
Yeah.
You have a license with you?
Yeah, I do.
The cop is like, no fucking way.
And then when we do this, just like you're doing right now, arms, feet
He is definitely failing this shit.
together, arms by your side. You're doing it just now. I'm just going to re-explain it before we continue, okay? Arms by your side, feet together, and then you're going to keep your head straight and just keep your head straight. Only follow with your eyes, okay?
Okay.
You understand that? All right.
Yes, sir.
Oh, he's doing good. He's doing good. I didn't think he was going to pass this part.
So left foot on the line. Left foot on the line first. And then you're going to put your right foot in front of your left. Stay just like that. Okay? You're going to be heel to toe like this. Heel to toe. Up. Put your left
All right, this is one of the comments that I was talking about. You're going to laugh when you guys see this. But look, it said he was asked to walk in a straight line, but his feet weren't in sync.
Yep. You're going to have your right foot in front of your left, heel to toe.
This is not funny because this is one of my favorite people growing up. Bye bye
Left foot on the
bye.
line first. Put your right foot in front of your left, heel to toe. And you can stay just like that, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So this is going to be a series of 9 heel to toe steps.
I mean, the DUI is really not gonna hurt Justin Timberlake. All you gotta do is order a fucking driver, bro. You got the money for it.
We'll demonstrate this like you're doing right now, like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9, followed by a series of small steps around. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9 back. This is going to be heel to toe, so you're going to be clicking your heels as you're going, arms by your side, while you're doing.
He's looking at the cop like, I really gotta do this shit, bro. Do you not know who the fuck I am?
This, you're going to look down at your toes.
Guys, I'm just following my friends back to my house. I'm not doing anything. I'm just following my friends back to my house.
Will you do these tests?
Sure. And then just walk. I'm sorry.
Ready?
I'm a little nervous.
Left. Right foot in front.
You should be.
You're gonna look down. Ready? 1, 2,
Okay.
3,
Got you.
4. Like that,
So
okay? Hang on.
so-
Let him tell you when to go. You gotta let him go. No, you're good. Don't worry about it. No, I wanna make sure. We wanna make sure you do this right.
Right foot
What if the cop would have been like, bye bye bye?
in front of your left.
Is this my line?
Boy, I would have fucking died.
Whichever
Perfect, yep.
imaginary line you make, that's the line you're going to walk.
1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000.
Why do all drunk people always count when they do this exercise? Oh my God.
Just continue, yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Right, gotcha.
Sorry. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000. 1,000.
My boy is fucking hammered, as he should be.
Keep going?
Yep. Yeah. Until I tell you to stop. Yep.
Okay. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000.
All right.
Oh yeah, he can't do it. He felt that shit.
All right.
By the way, these are like really hard tests.
So the way this device works, you just put your lips over it and you blow into it like you're blowing a balloon. No?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
You're like, you know, I'm hammered, bro. We're not gonna take it there.
All right. At this point, based upon the observations, you're under the arrest for suspicion of driving while intoxicated. That's what I would do. Just turn around.
Guys, come on, man. Like,
This is gonna fuck up his war tour, bro. And next time I get pulled over by the cops, I'm gonna tell them that I'm on a war tour.
I'm just following my friends home.
Man, one of your friends should have looked out for you and let you drive. I mean, said, hey, look, bud, I'm going to drive you home. Do you know how much of a fucking megastar you are? We can't afford this. I got you.
All right. Just turn around for me, please.
Because Justin Timberlake is arguably one of the greatest entertainers of all time. He was like the Justin Bieber of the 90s. Probably bigger. Nah, who was bigger? We gotta ask ChatGPT that.
Take your right on.
Probably Justin.
No, it's in headquarters. 132.
I mean,
At this point,
both of them are Justin.
I know my hair sucks here, but like I
you're
usually
good.
look good.
So at this point, he's coming with us. Okay.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
No, why?
He's
Is that his mom?
intoxicated.
Stop it.
DWI. Yes.
No way.
Yes.
Don't say it.
Yes. He's coming back with us. Okay.
She just I like her already.
So
Don't say it.
look, you're okay to drive. Okay. I don't see any. Your eyes look perfectly fine. Your speech isn't slurred.
You're
if you're
arresting Justin Timberlake right now?
yeah. we are.
Stop it.
Yes.
Why?
He was driving drunk.
Okay. All right. Just take a seat.
They are like, what in the fuck? This never happens. Why are you doing this? This is Justin Timberlake. He's not a human. He's a mere mortal. Dang, bro.
Right now.
You know how many times my daughter made me rush trolls and listen to that goddamn song?
He's under arrest
Under arrest?
for driving while intoxicated.
Stop it. Justin Timberlake's under arrest. Can you help me, please? Can we do anything? Can you please stop it? I'll do anything.
No,
Oh, what you gonna do, Sheila? What you?
it's. I mean, it is what it is at this point. Okay.
No, you can't like put him in jail.
He's gonna be held for the night.
I
And then
can't
he's
take him home.
He's arraigned
No.
for the morning.
There has to be a moment of talking.
No. Not anymore.
Please help me.
Not anymore.
Hold on.
Please, everybody needs a friend or a mother, sister like this, auntie, whoever she is. Please.
Okay.
Part of her team, part of his team, PR. So everybody needs a person like this in their corner for sure.
Hold on. Can I?
This is the registration of the vehicle. Just make sure it stays with the vehicle. Okay.
I have his phone.
Yeah.
Yep.
Can you guys please just do me a favor because you loved bye 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 or
I'm
like
happy-
sexy back?
so-
Like
I'm
do
happy-
me one favor. Let me ask him if he wants me to give him his phone.
Yeah. I mean,
This is
that's-
insane.
So it's not gonna be a long thing. I'll let you walk up real quick.
Please.
Okay, so my partner here, I don't know the details obviously, I wasn't going to stop to. My partner here observed you some kind of traffic violation, started a traffic stop, believed you have impairment, did a series of routine tests on you, right? Field sobriety tests, okay? You performed poorly on those, okay? Based off of his observations.
Why is he looking at him like that? He's looking at him like, bitch, I can't believe this is happening. I can't believe y'all doing this to me.
You are intoxicated.
Very.
So you were
He's like, so what the fuck? We know that. We already examined that part.
under arrest for DWI. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Damn.
All
Come on,
I need
JT.
to understand what was just read to you.
Yeah, I hear you.
Perfect.
And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reread this again. We're gonna go through the rest of it, but at this.
No,
at
I
this
got
point,
you. I got you.
At
This is not my first rodeo, guys. been here before, and hopefully we don't have to do this shit again.
At this point, it asks for initials. If you don't want to initial, you're not required to. You can't be forced to, and then I will read the rest of it. Okay? Will you initial or no?
No.
Okay.
No.
I'll read the rest of it for you.
Twice. Like.
Now, do you consent or refuse to the chemical test?
You better not fucking do it. You already refused the breathalyzer. Do not.
No, I'm not doing the chemical test. Like, guys, I don't mean no harm. Like.
I understand. We believe you to be under the influence of alcohol
Okay.
and operating a motor vehicle, right?
Okay. But I don't mean no harm.
I didn't say you did, right? Everyone makes a mistake or two in their life, right? You had
Facts.
too much to drink, you drove the car, right?
Facts.
Okay.
It's whatever, I'm not here to judge you. We got a job today.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate your understanding.
And by the way, I appreciate that you're doing that.
Appreciate that. Thank you.
Yeah. What was the traffic violation I missed?
I observed you.
Just so I know for future reference.
I observed you failing to fully stop at the stop sign, and then while you were driving, you failed to keep right on numerous occasions. So you're very.
Wait. Start over. Sorry.
So
One more time.
at the stop sign, and then while you were operating the motor vehicle, you failed to keep right on your side of the roadway, and you continuously moved off and veered to the left of the roadway.
Okay. Well, I was just following my friends.
Okay. Yeah, I understand, but we are where we are right now. Okay.
You boys treat me like I'm a criminal.
Nah. It's not like that, JT.
I don't want to say that because, you're being arrested, so for misdemeanor
Pretty much that's what criminals happen to.
DWI,
Is this guy fixing his hair in the fucking window?
I don't like to call
That is the most Justin Timberlake thing I've seen on this video yet.
people names, Mr. Timberlake, but which is the situation that we're in, unfortunately, okay? I'm trying my best to treat you like anybody else, okay? I appreciate your cooperation.
Yeah.
He's super chill to be drunk.
Man.
A lot of people don't cooperate like this, so it goes a long way in my book. I appreciate it.
Hey, can I ask you a question?
He do you not know the star power of this man? If it is seen that he's acting like a child when some shit like this happens, he is going to be fucked. He can't afford that for his career.
Is this a normal process?
Yeah, everything is pretty standard. Nothing of the ordinary. We do this for everyone that gets arrested for DWI. Is there anything specifically about it you are wondering, or just...
No. I just wondered, like you really cuff people up and like.
Yeah. You're in our custody. We have to make sure that people who we lock up here don't leave. You can't just leave. We gotta process you, everything like that. Your safety, our safety, things like that. It's just standard protocol.
Gotcha. I appreciate you boys for doing your job, man.
I appreciate that you understand that we gotta do
I
our thing.
appreciate you boys for doing your job. I had one martini and I followed my fucking friends home. And I appreciate you boys for doing your job.
Off of one martini? Oh, one more martini.
Before we sign.
Bro was like, do we really have to do this, guys? Can you just follow me home?
I'm just kidding.
Like, I love people like this. Like, even when you in a fucked up position, right? You done fucked up, you done did some shit. You still have a sense of humor. You're still a kind-hearted person. Like, this just made me like him even more. You know what I'm saying? Like, even than the worst of the worst situations. You're in a bad position, you know what I'm saying? And we all make mistakes. We all fuck up, right? Yeah, it's easy to say, bro, could have got a Uber or whoop the case, whatever the case may be. But how did you know he felt comfortable doing that? You just never know what's going through people's minds. But for him to be so chill and understanding, bro, it's just like, damn. You You know what I'm saying? This is a really cool guy.
So you're being held for the night, and then in the morning is the arraignment. So in the morning, usually around 9:30.
Being held all night?
It might not be this one. You might be over at the other one, and they actually.
But no, they're gonna put you in a Hilton suite with a nice comfy bed, and then they're gonna bring you back here in the morning.
Blankets for you.
Yo, you guys are wild, man.
And again, like I said, you can make a phone call if you would like. The attorney and things like that, you're allowed to call right now if you wish, or you can call later.
Yeah, any point you want to make a phone call, let us know.
That's not gonna be comfortable at all. I know that's gonna suck. They didn't even have a bed for my boy, just a wooden bench. Shit. I would have been like, what the fuck, too? You know what I'm saying? Like, I know prison's not supposed to be just super comfortable, but fuck.
Yeah. You are entitled to have phone calls.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. Thank you guys for all your views, all your love, all your comments is really appreciated. And that's it, baby. We out.